What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here is MULN, Mullen Automotive. This finishes at 26.3 cents today. That is down 13.33%.
And it's gone.
So we haven't analyzed this stock in a while, in over 4 months. Last time we analyzed this stock, it was at 170. I did say that it was likely going to pull back to 60 cents. It did ultimately pull back down to 60 cents, and even more significantly from that, under 30 now. I never thought it would sell off this much, but here we are. And I can't say I'm surprised, because fundamentally, this is a pretty terrible company. They're broke, have no deliveries, no infrastructure. The CEO is a fraud. They just lead on the investors, lie after lie after lie. So just based on the fundamentals, I'd stay far away from this stock. But technically, the chart is starting to look very bullish, which we'll get to in a second here. So no company-specific news to justify this price action today, just the overall markets selling off, especially the growth in memes. This was number 3 on StockTwits today, after SPY and PayPal had over 2,800 mentions, so once again, we're going to analyze it. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. I can't really say where the bottom of the cup is, because that is still being formed at the moment, but there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 60 cents, 80 cents, 95 cents, 120, 140, or even 170. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle where this has the potential to come all the way back up to the high of 16. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be 50 or 60 cents. But those are all bullish indicators that is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And we also have an inverse head and shoulders developing here. The first shoulder is around 33 cents. The head is forming now. So after the head is done forming, the second shoulder will form, and from there it should break out to the upside. So the inverse head and shoulders is currently a bullish indicator. In the aftermarket here, this is running up to 27 cents. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow this stock will run to the upside. There was a gap down way back at 11.90, so that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock may come back up to 11.90 to fill that gap. But honestly, that looks pretty unlikely at this point. The RSI, the relative strength index, is currently at 24, so this is officially in oversold and undervalued territory. So the RSI is currently a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the current price of 26.3 cents should be a lot higher. And on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line is above the signal line to the upside. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to buy. Although it looks like the MACD may cross over to the downside very soon, so be careful. And here we have a descending channel forming, where the upper channel is currently at 40 cents and the lower channel is around 19 cents. So if this breaks 40 to the upside, that'd be bullish, and if this breaks 19 to the downside, that'd be bearish. So the descending channel is currently a neutral indicator, and if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 32.2 cents and 24.1 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 32.2 cents, 36.2 cents, 41 cents, 44.3 cents, 52 cents, 56.3 cents, 59.6 cents, 66.6 cents, 69.9 cents, 74.8 cents, 78 cents, 82.8 cents, 88.3 cents, 91.5 cents, 97.6 cents, and then 105. There is resistance above 105, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 24.1 cents. 24.1 cents is the all-time low, so no support below that. That would be uncharted territory. So right now at the current price, 26.3 cents, the channels to the upside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action if this stock runs to the upside. And to the downside, again, that is uncharted territory. No support there. So if the stock continues to run to the downside, expect a significant increase in price action. And this did 131 million in volume today, which is way above the average of 46 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So like I said in the beginning, fundamentally, I think this company is terrible. A lot of red flags, no money, no product, scammer CEO, lie after lie after lie. So again, based on the fundamentals, I would stay far away from this stock, but based on the technicals, the chart does look pretty bullish in the short and long terms. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, gap down, RSI, aftermarket action, and MACD. No bearish indicators, and the only neutral indicator is the descending channel. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, the current price of 26.3 cents is an excellent entry according to the RSI. Again, oversold, undervalued. It probably will keep selling off a little bit more to the downside, because right now it's a falling knife, hasn't caught any support yet. But sooner or later, it should start to bottom out, catch support, and reverse. So it's pretty hard to tell how far this may run to the upside in the short term, but based on this cup and handle here, I would say there's a decent chance this comes back up to 80 cents in the short term to complete this cup. So from the current price of 26.3 cents, that would be about a 205% upside potential. So massive upside potential here in the short and long terms, and this really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. This is the all-time low, oversold, undervalued, so you really can't go too wrong here. So I would say going long at the current price, 26.3 cents would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot, in my opinion. So I can support going long at the current price, 26.3 cents, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that for the same reasons why going long is a really good play right now. Going short is a really bad play. Again, all bullish indicators right now, no bearish indicators, oversold, undervalued, all-time low. Again, in the short term, this may come back up to 80 cents, which would be about a 205% upside potential. And again, this really shouldn't go too much further to the downside in the short term. So I would say going short at the current price, 26.3 cents, would be a very high risk, low reward play. Not worth it, in my opinion. You should have went short anywhere from the $4 range all the way down to like 50 cents. And here at 26.3 cents, it's way too late to go short. You missed your chance, and you're likely going to get burned. You'd be shorting for crumbs and exposing yourself to a massive amount of upside risk. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk, but I really don't see why you would do that. Seems like a really bad idea. So I don't like the current entry, 26.3 cents on the short side, but I will say, if this does in fact run to 80 cents and higher in the short term, then I think that would be a good time to short this down. But we'll see how it goes. So in summary, guys, fundamentally, I think this is a really bad stock, but technically it looks really good. So going long appears to be an excellent play right now, and going short appears to be a terrible play. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, but this could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is MULN, Mullen Automotive. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.